This video will teach you how to use Tracking Point's apps to interface your smart device and your precision-guided firearm together to stream video and to configure your system. Now, Tracking Point's apps work with any Android or iOS device. Anything that interfaces with the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, you'll be able to find Tracking Point's apps and download them. The first step of using an app with our system is to turn Wi-Fi on and actually connect your smart device to your precision-guided firearm. Now, you turn Wi-Fi on by briefly pressing the power button when it's already on, just like so. Now Wi-Fi is on, and I'll actually see a Wi-Fi icon in the heads-up display of my system. So once Wi-Fi is on, in the case of an iPad mini, I'll go into my settings menu, and then I will select Wi-Fi, and I'll find the network. If you look at the back of your user manual, you'll see a sticker that has your Wi-Fi ID number and password. That'll tell you what you're looking for. In this case, it's TPScope _ followed by some digits. So I select that, I enter a password if I haven't done so already, and then I am connected. So this iPad mini is connected to this precision-guided firearm. So now that we're connected, the first app that I'd like to talk about is called ShotView. Now, ShotView is an app that allows you to stream video directly from your precision-guided firearm to your smart device. So if I'm out hunting with a guide, or if I'm shooting with a friend, or if I'm teaching my son to shoot, they can be on the gun, I can pull out my smart device and I can see exactly what they see. So once I'm connected, all I do there is I select the ShotView app. I will get a brief message telling me it's connecting, and then I will see exactly what the shooter sees through the precision-guided firearm. So this is exactly what you would see were you looking through the optic here. Again, this is called ShotView, and that's really all there is to it. So the next app that I'd like to talk about is the Tracking Point app. Now, the Tracking Point app is primarily about downloading videos and configuring your system. So as I am still connected to the system here, I'm just going to simply select the Tracking Point app, and I will be given 4 options: download videos, update my system, configure scope, and customer service. So as we go top to bottom here, when I select download videos, I'm given 4 options. They're pretty self-explanatory, but essentially the system will record a video every time you press the tag button. And then there might be occasions where you only want the videos that end in a shot as opposed to end in an untag or a retag, so you can select just to get a subset of your videos. These videos will download into the photo album of your device, and then once they're there, you can actually press on them and you'll be given the menu options to put it on Facebook or email it to a friend or text it or whatever you'd like to do with video to prove your shot. So that's all about downloading videos. Now, if I back out of here, the next option that I have is around updating the software of my precision-guided firearm. Tracking Point will periodically make updates, fix things, tune different aspects of the system, and just generally release updates to help your system perform. Now, downloading updates is a 2-step process. I first need to connect this device to the internet to download an update from the internet to this device. Then I will need to reconnect this device to my precision-guided firearm to download the update from the device to the precision-guided firearm. Now, I will search for updates essentially every time I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi and I open this app. It'll search for an update and it'll tell me I have an update available. If that were the case, it would say update available. I would click it. It would give me a progress bar as it downloaded, and that's it. I would have downloaded the update. And then the next time that I connected this smart device to my precision-guided firearm, it would also give me the option of uploading this update onto the precision-guided firearm. Again, it would simply say, update available. Do you want to download? I would say yes. It generally takes about 10 minutes to update the software of your system, and that's it. I would be updated. So the third option here is called Configure Scope. And here is where I have a number of options around tuning my precision-guided firearm exactly how I want it. What kind of ammunition I'm shooting, how long I want to record video for after the shot's fired, and a number of different things. The configuration menu will change as we do different updates, but this will always be your source for fine-tuning your system exactly how you want it. Now, the fourth option is called Customer Service. And what customer service is it's really just a menu of of technical specifications so that if you do call Tracking Point's technical support in Austin, our guys and gals will be able to ask you to pull this up and say, hey, what version of the software, or just different kind of technical specs. This isn't really something you'll need to worry about unless you're on the phone with us, and they'll walk you through that. So these are the two apps, ShotView and Tracking Point, again allowing you to stream video and to configure your scope wirelessly from your smart device. Now, interfacing with apps is a very unique capability of the precision-guided firearm that allows you to do a lot of things that you wouldn't be able to do with a conventional firearm, allowing you to share the experience and prove your shots to your friends, and just generally document hunting and shooting in a way that has never before been possible.